How to copy Snapchat link to Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Snapchat and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile icon or avatar at the top left of the screen. And why we are here is because we want to memorize the username, from which you can see under your name right here. That username, you need to memorize it and keep it in mind because that's what we will be entering on your Facebook profile. So once you do that, go back and open up Facebook and log into your account. Then go to your profile page. And here you need to scroll down to the information section and click on edit public details. You will land on this page, so scroll all the way down till links section and click on add next to it. From the social links section, click on add social link. And from the platform drop down, select Snapchat and then enter your username in this field right here. And once you do that, you will see that your Snapchat link has been added and Facebook has recognized it. So click on the save button at the top right of the screen to save the changes. And once you go back to your profile page, you will see that your Snapchat has been added to your Facebook account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add your Snapchat link to your Facebook profile. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.